Money. Why is it so easy for some people to attract wealth while others can't even hold on to their spare change? This question lies at the heart of the study of money psychology. Not merely about the digits in your bank account, it's about comprehending the mechanism of your mind when you're making financial decisions. Your relationship with money is shaped by numerous elements: your upbringing, your experiences, your values, and even your fears. This relationship influences your capacity to manage money for long-term success, and to adjust your financial strategies as your life evolves. It aids in overcoming challenges, making wise financial choices, and emphasizes the importance of character over material wealth while setting clear financial limits. Money psychology isn't just about how you manage your money, it's about how you manage yourself. It's not just about making money, it's about keeping and growing it over time. This simple yet profound statement sums up the essence of financial longevity. It's one thing to accumulate wealth, but the real magic lies in sustaining it. We're talking about the long game here, folks. The difference between fleeting riches and enduring prosperity. Understanding the role of risk is fundamental. No, we're not advocating for reckless gambles, but rather calculated risks. One that is taken with a comprehensive understanding of the potential challenges. Risks that are cushioned by optimism and a dash of resilience. Optimism isn't about wearing rose-tinted glasses. It's about maintaining a positive outlook even when the going gets tough. It's about bouncing back from setbacks, stronger and wiser. Viewing obstacles not as roadblocks, but stepping stones to greater heights. So let's not just make money, let's master it. Time is money's best friend. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's the secret sauce of financial success. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, didn't become a billionaire overnight. His wealth is a testament to the power of compounding, the process of generating earnings on an asset's reinvested earnings. The magic of compounding isn't about making quick money, it's about patience, persistence, and the passage of time. Imagine planting a seed and nurturing it. Over time, that tiny seed grows into a towering tree, bearing fruits year after year. That's compounding for you. It's slow at the start, but give it time and the growth becomes exponential. Compounding isn't about chasing high-risk, high-reward investments. It's about embracing sustainable, long-term strategies. It's about taking calculated risks and making consistent contributions to your investment portfolio. So let's not just make money, let's harness the magic of time to grow it. Understanding money is a journey, not a destination. Many of us are left confused when it comes to the complexities of savings, investments, and stocks. We often find ourselves tangled in a web of financial jargon, unsure of the path to take. This confusion can lead to unconventional and often risky financial behaviors. So, how do we navigate this labyrinth? The answer is simple yet profound: financial literacy. It's about equipping ourselves with the knowledge and skills to make informed and effective decisions about our financial resources. Think of it as the money map guiding us on our financial journey, helping us choose the right investments, understand the risks involved, and make smart savings decisions. Financial literacy isn't about becoming a Wall Street whiz overnight. It's about taking small, consistent steps towards understanding the financial world. It's about asking questions, seeking advice, and never shying away from learning opportunities. So let's untangle the financial confusion. Let's empower ourselves with financial literacy. Because money isn't complicated, our understanding of it can be, and that's what we need to change. Money is more than just numbers in a bank account. It's the tangible representation of our hopes, dreams, and fears. A symbolic vessel carrying a myriad of emotions, memories, and expectations. Imagine it as a mirror reflecting our deepest desires and insecurities. The decisions we make about money are rarely purely logical. They're deeply intertwined with our emotional landscapes, often influenced by past experiences and future aspirations. So, how can we navigate this complex relationship? The answer lies in self-awareness. Understanding our emotional triggers can guide us to make more intentional financial choices. It's about recognizing those moments when we're about to make an impulsive purchase to fill a void, or when we're clinging to money out of fear, rather than a strategic saving plan. By mastering this self-awareness, we can transform our relationship with money. We can use it as a tool to create a life we love, rather than letting it dictate our lives. Our money moves are shaped by feelings and experiences, and understanding this is the key to financial empowerment. What is the true luxury money can buy? Let's delve into that. Financial freedom, it's a phrase we often hear, but what does it truly mean? It's more than just a number in your bank account, it's about living life on your own terms. It's the ability to make choices without the weight of financial constraints. It's the freedom to pursue passions, spend time with loved ones, or even take a well-deserved break. Achieving this freedom requires more than just making money. It's about strategically building a financial cushion, a safety net, that can weather life's unexpected storms. This cushion serves as a springboard, allowing you to leap towards opportunities without the fear of financial ruin. The true luxury that money can buy isn't material possessions, it's the choice and peace of mind it provides. Knowing when to stop is just as important as knowing when to start. Quite an intriguing concept, isn't it? Often we get caught up in the pursuit of wealth, and it becomes easy to lose sight of what truly matters. Unnecessary risks might seem tempting in the quest for financial success, but they can also lead us into a trap. It's crucial to be aware of our financial limits. This doesn't mean setting a cap on success, but rather understanding the balance between potential gain and potential loss. It's about knowing when a risk is worth taking, and when it's smarter to hold back. After all, preserving essential aspects of our lives is often more important than pushing for financial gain. Being financially successful means more than just accumulating wealth. It involves making conscious decisions, considering the potential implications, and prioritizing our overall well-being. Certain elements like reputation, freedom, and happiness should not be sacrificed for more money. As we wrap up our journey through the psychology of money, it's time to take action. We've explored the landscape of financial success and the importance of understanding money's psychological aspects. Now, it's your turn to apply these principles in your own life starting today. Banking billions isn't just about acquiring wealth, it's about transforming our relationship with money and harnessing its true potential. In the grand scheme of things, wealth is merely a means to an end, and that end is the life you've always dreamed of living. So, let's not just dream about it, let's make it a reality. Thanks for watching.